Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to send an ACH payment through BECU in 2025. If you're a BECU member looking to transfer money securely and electronically, you're in the right place. ACH payments are a fantastic way to handle bills, refunds, or direct deposits without the hassle of checks or wires. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your BECU account set up and ready to go. You'll need a stable internet connection and your login credentials. Think username, password, and possibly two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're logged into the BECU website or mobile app, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually front and center for easy access. Now, step 1. Select the ACH payment option. In 2025, BECU has streamlined this process, so you might see a dedicated ACH Transfers button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. This includes their routing number, account number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything here. Errors can delay your payment. Step 2. Add any necessary details, like the payment memo or date. BECU's interface is user-friendly, so you can schedule payments for future dates if needed. Once that's filled out, hit Review to verify all the information. This is crucial to avoid mistakes. Before you confirm, BECU might ask for additional verification, such as a security code sent to your phone or email. This step ensures your account stays protected. After verification, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get an instant confirmation on screen and an email receipt shortly after. A quick tip: ACH payments typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan ahead. Also, keep an eye on any fees. BECU often keeps them low for members. And that's it. You've just sent an ACH payment like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy out there. See you next time.